Salbari College Boys, lead by Prasad Narjari, Flag Commander Habila Bosupatani. NCC Girls Salbari College, lead by Nika Moro, Flag Commander Modira Moro. Greenland English Higher Secondary School Boys, lead by music choir, Flag Commander Monsuma Moro. Hathorki Forajali Girls, lead by Rosmi Musahari Aru, Flag Commander Konkon Moro. Good Shepherd National School Boys, lead by Pijuwari, Flag Commander Abhijit Moro. Good Shepherd National School Girls, lead by Christina Bosupatari, Flag Commander Sujamati Secretary. St. Xavier English School Boys, lead by Azam Sahari, Flag Commander Mijing Bosupatari. St. Xavier English School, lead by Dipamoni Moro, Flag Commander Deimu Nanjani. Greenland English Higher Secondary School Girls, lead by Priya Moro, Flag Commander Manobi Rabha. Hathorki Forajali Boys, lead by Hathorki Lahari, Flag Commander Mokha Bosupatari. Greenland Higher Secondary School Girls, lead by Anamika Moro, Flag Commander Bornali Bosupatari. Halbari Senior Secondary School Girls, lead by Bhagyashree Goyali, Mrs. Pijurthi Goyali. Halbari High Secondary School Boys, lead by Didam Bosupatari, Flag Commander Vipul Wari. Halbari Higher Secondary School Girls, lead by Daisy Sorgiari, Flag Commander Ritumani Sorgiari. Rupohi Higher Secondary School, lead by Zogami Bosupatari, Flag Commander Konkina Ramsiani. Halbari Girls High School, lead by Sima Musahari, Flag Commander Dipanjali Secretary. Aru Hodoripot Parade Band, Sujyababe Good Shepherd National School, Aru Greenland English Higher Secondary.
Kondo pai.
Ami